Hi, everyone. My name is Rachel Stern, and I am the Assistant Director of Recruitment and Marketing for the College of Letters and Science. Today, I want to talk about our fall open house events. These are going to be great events to learn more about specific majors and programs that you are interested in. So if you are an incoming freshman or a new transfer student interested in applying to UWM, we highly encourage you to learn about these events. Our open house events are going to be hosted virtually, some are hybrid, and some are also in person. So there are going to be multiple options for you to be able to attend this event. During the event, you'll learn more about the program and major specifically from faculty and admissions staff, as well as the opportunities that UWM offers with your major, including research and internships to help prepare you for that future career pathway. So first, what I want to do is show you where on the website this information is. So if you are on the College of Letters and Science homepage, first, I recommend researching more about our programs and majors that we offer, but under news and events, you will see a tab that says open house events for fall 2022 and 2023 prospective students. If you click on this link, it will show you the full list of open house events that we are offering. They will start October 2nd and run through mid-November. As you can see, there are going to be a large number of programs and majors that are highlighted during these events. And many of them, again, are going to be virtual and in person. If you do find a program that you are interested in, simply click on the event name and you will see all the information that you need, whether it's going to be virtual or in person or possibly both, the date and time of the event, and what is going to be discussed during the event itself. Registration information is coming soon, so for now, we do encourage you to save the date, but when registration is available, that will be here in this yellow box if you bookmark this webpage and save this webpage. If you do have any questions or if you want more information about other programs, please feel free to contact us at let-sci@uwm.edu. That is our main email here for the College of Letters and Science. We'll be sure to give you all the information you need. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we hope to see you soon.